Like I said, the simple day trading plan for futures, daily goal, aim for 1 to 2 quality trades per session. You're not trying to trade every single move. Okay? You're not trying to trade every single move, because if you do, then that's going to lead you into more trades, and you're not like really looking for quality setups. You're just trying to look for quantity setups pretty much. So quality over quantity. Okay? And again, it's within one market day. Set a daily profit target, $200 a day, and maximum loss $100. All right.
Mhm.
So again, that's just pretty much where we're trying to aim for, because 200 times 5, that's $1,000, times that by if you do that 3 more weeks, that's gonna be basically $4,000 pretty much, right? $4,000, and again, $4,000 can be an additional income on top of whatever else you're doing, okay, and that's good, right? So now you
Right.
have more
Because
money.
I told myself honestly, like the good thing about Top Step is that they let you copy trade and all that stuff. So
Yeah,
I told myself I'm literally honestly I'm too. It's like really I'm just two 150 counts away from being, I guess, like financially free. Because if I go 150 plus 150 is 300K, right? And
right.
then 2% of that is like $6,000. Like, and I know if I can hit a 1 to 2 risk reward and make 2% of that, that's $6,000 a
Mm-hmm.
week. And not even like I won't even say that. Just if I go to 2% per week, that's 6,000 a week. Well, I guess the 90% or whatever, and that's basically like I don't know who would not be happy with $6,000 a week.
Yeah, I don't know who else.
Even if it was just one 150K account, 2% of that is 3,000. 3,000 a week is that's $12,000 a month.
There you go.
Like that'll forever be good. Can you just show me one more, like I guess support resistance key level, just one more, just so I can see it again, just
Yeah,
one more time?
yeah, I got you. And so, did you screenshot this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. So let me just do one more, which is the pretty much just the journaling part, or the review, and then we'll get to that too,
Mm-hmm.
right? So let's just pretty much do that right there. So I mean, just journaling, really. I mean, that's pretty much 7. All right. So journaling and review. So again, all you got to do here is just record each trade. Okay, record each trade, and that's going to go off of your entry, your exit, your stop, and the profit and loss. Okay, you can use Notion, or you can just use a simple Excel sheet. All right. For me, it's just the easiest is just the Notion part. Okay, or the Notion website. And then on top of that, it's like you're reviewing your trades, daily, to identify areas of improvements. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
because remember, you're trying to improve as a trader every single week, every single month, every single year. The goal is to understand and understands our ourselves, and see where we lack, and wherever we lack, we want to improve in. Do more of your strengths when you figure that out, and do less of your weaknesses. Okay, and there you go. Okay, so screenshot that, and we'll pretty much dive into the whole
Done.
support resistance.
And
Okay.
thank you so much for everything, bro.
Yeah, no problem.
Like, I forgot how good these lives really are. Like, I would love this to be a weekly thing. So if like, do you think there's even a possible way where I could pay you just for even just 30 minutes, where if it's just like not even trading, where it's just what's it called, psychology, or just like just talking about like, hey, this is like how to deal with losses and all that other stuff. But we don't have to like go into it. We just talk.
Yeah, yeah, for sure, for sure. Like I said, it's like if that's something that you want to do, on a weekly basis, and if it's even
Because
30 minutes,
I'll even pay for like 30 minutes of just
yeah,
that.
yeah. I mean,
Where I
that's
talk like, man, this is how I felt, bro. This is what I did wrong. Like, this is what was happening. Yada 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 yada.
yeah, yeah, that's fine. I mean, if not, we can always talk in the DMs and stuff like that. But usually I'm really, really busy with the whole Discord, or just me and my trading and things like that. But I mean, if you want to go ahead and do that as well, then I can set up a
Yeah,
call for
that's what I'm
that.
saying. I'm willing to pay you for that
Yeah,
too.
Yeah, I mean, for sure. I mean, we work something out, but yeah, we could talk about that, towards the end of this call. All right. But yeah, I
Yeah,
mean, I'm down for that if that's something that's, willing, something that you believe that it can help for you. I mean, yeah, I mean, mindset, psychology, it's very important in trading because that's really what we need. Like I said, at the end of the day, it's like, I want to make sure that this call is just pretty much, all the answers or all the questions that it's pretty much being answered. And then from there, you
it
can start
is.
seeing that
It
saying,
really is. I
yeah,
ain't gonna lie. That breaker block really did something for me.
yeah. Like I said, it's like
And
once,
I just like calling it breaker block because like I remember like there was a time where I wasn't like on your report and I was
mhm,
doing breaker blocks. Like it was like an ICT thing, and I'm not
yeah,
even trying to bring that ICT guy up because the way I see it, they're both honestly the same at the end of the day because you're both chasing liquidity.
correct.
But like I just remember seeing that, it's like, it's not that far off.
Yeah. I mean, the things that I'm, telling you here is like the things that, we need because again, I study as in, what is a student coming with? How are they like right now? And let's see as in how can we resolve that in this one-on-one? And that's what we're doing. We created a trade plan. We created some, kind of like a back test really as in how the market, is and how should we approach it. And yeah, this is a very, good one-on-one. And, again, rewatch this video. I'm going to have this, actually I have this recorded and I'm going to send that to you on a drive link pretty
Send it,
much so you can rewatch it.
you
Okay.
know, send it to the whole team.
Yeah, for sure. I will. I'll try to work on it. I'll try to edit it. But yeah, and then from there, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and do that. All right. But let's get to
Yes,
that
sir.
support resistance part. Okay.
Yeah.
So what was your question on that?
Basically, like, okay, kind of like show me again, like on a cleaner chart, basically what that looks like again, like,
Yeah.
like, okay, this is how they draw the support and resistance. So now I can really see it again with my eyes. Oh, it's all the same: order blocks, fault blocks,
Yeah.
support resistance, key
Okay.
levels. Like,
Okay. Yeah, so right here, look at this. Let's do the
mm-hmm,
current structure, right? So you can do key levels on current structure. So look at this. This is the run up.
mm.
This is the drop. Broke the key
Yeah,
level
I
right
see a
there.
fault blocks.
Okay.
Yep.
And so now we're just waiting to see can we create another one right there. Look at this.
Yep.
Price came up, hit this key level, and now that's either this key level is for it to come here and then reject, or just to hold that now and start doing this now. We'll see what happens. All right. Because at the moment, there is now this low and this high, which is basically this right here, and also this low down here as well. So now you see it's like we're using that as in, key levels pretty much. And let's just see what happens right there. You see, I said now it's touching that key level right here. Boom.
Mm-hmm.
Broke above that key level. And so now we're now waiting for that retest because the trend is what going bullish. So let's just see what happens right there. Look at this. You see on how it's bouncing now on that area?
Right.
You can now either enter there or you can enter at the break above this red candlestick pretty much. And you're
Right.
looking for a long opportunity. So let's just see if we can get that right there. Look at that. You see that?
Right. And I'm seeing it now because like I see. Okay,
But it's
you drew
basically
that.
but it's basically supply. You see us in how supply
A
broke.
breaker block. Yep,
Yeah.
I see it.
There you go. And now it's just pretty much you're just looking for that long opportunity. And there you go. You're in profit already. This is
And
what?
those two lines is the key level.
Yep. And this is like a 1-to-1
Yep.
on this specific 5-minute time frame, right?
Right.
Because your stop loss was
Right.
inside this, or underneath this red level or this key level that became support. It held, and you just now again you either use that to make that $200 just like what we mentioned, and you end the day. And like I said, try to do this every single day, and boom, okay. The reward 200, and the amount that we can lose, which is the limit, is $100. Let's say. And
Right.
are you doing here just stacking up, stacking up, stacking up? All right. Let's see what happened. Look at that, another rally. But again, at the same time, you can trail this along the way. Trail, 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 and just move your stop
Right. That's
loss,
probably
move
a
your
1 to
stop loss.
2, 1 to 3 right there.
Yeah, for sure. And now this again, this is look at the time. 4 p.m. This is where the market closed right there. And all this right here, you're out pretty much. Okay, you're done.
Yeah, done.
And that's it. And so again, that is the example of support resistance or key levels because you're just basically just waiting for those levels to either hold, break, or reject, and that's it. All right.
Right.
But yeah, that's
Well, thank you so much, man. I feel a little bit clearer in the head, bro.
yeah.
So it's really, I just gotta learn, bro, that hey, trading, You win some, you lose some. All I can do is, hey, did I follow my technique? Did I do what I'm supposed to do? Did I follow my trading plan?
There you
As
go.
long as I did that, as long as I do that, bro, I need to learn that, hey, even when I follow my trading plan, learn to be happy that I followed my plan. Hey, I did a good job. I followed my plan. You know what? If I get liquidated, hey, that happens. The market just, because